Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn about why the Create React app is dead. What are the alternatives? So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So the CRA templates are no longer maintained. Why? Let's have a look. Create React app CRA is no longer the go-to the method for setting up the new React projects. Whenever we require npx React Create app, so that will not longer maintained. While it was instrumental for the beginners, for the React team has shifted its focus to the other tools. Here's the breakdown. Why CRA isn't recommended anymore? First of all, that is a large dependency size. So CRA comes with the amount of dependencies impact performance. So that's the first reason. Limited customization. So beginners might find it restrictive when needing more control over the project setup. Outdated tooling. The build process and the tools used by the CRA might not the most recent advancements. Okay, so this is the reason that the Create React app is dead. Okay, so what are the alternatives? So alternatives, you can use the frameworks, that is Vite, Next.js or the Remix. So what is Vite? Vite plus React offers a blazing fast development experience with the hot module replacement and the minimal dependency footprint. Okay, then we have a Next.js, a full-fledged framework for the server-side rendering and the static-side generation, ideal for the complex web application. So you can use it. The last one that we have the Remix, okay, another full-stack framework with the focus on code splitting and the data fetching, offering a good balance between the flexibility and the developer experience. So this is, I think that none use it. Okay, so most of the popular currently is the Next.js, okay, which you have already the tutorial is there. So this is what the Create React app is dead. Or any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.